You know what, guys? I apply permanent, right? And then the receipt that it came from New Denmark or Olvining Bistorelsen is in my hand, or one of that is I upload in Facebook. But you know what, guys? Until now, they need to have a meeting for that if I have rights to have a permanent. But honest is, when I came here in Denmark since 2002, that years is not strict in Denmark. I'm sure that all of the Filipina come 2002 that they are married Danish person. For sure, they have a Danish passport already. But you know what? I cannot understand why they don't like to give me a chance to have my permanent visa or permanent card. They still have, forcing me to go out to this country without nice explanations. Maybe because they are guilty what they are done to me in how many years. Guys, I'm not deserved to be like that. But, if I applied and I paid already, the need to do is give my permanent visa because I have right to get that. So, ang gagawin nila is, they need to give it to me. Okay, give it to me, give it, baby. Oh, yeah.